Ma'am, can you just answer my question?
Oh, for Pete's sake, can't you see what's going on here?
I am trying to get your perspective, but you're just not making any sense.
I'm not making any sense. You're the one who's not making any sense. You're defending people who are destroying our way of life. Look what's happening to our country. We're losing our values, our culture, everything.
But that's not what this is about.
Oh, isn't it? You're just as bad as all the others. You're blind to what's happening here, but I'm not. I see it, and I won't stand for it.
Listen, I can tell that you're upset.
Upset? You think I'm upset? You have no idea what I am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
So I just heard the entire conversation. I have to ask, do you have a problem with this gentleman?
Whatever you heard, it's all hearsay.